Is Lemon8 worth using? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to talk about Lemon8 and whether it's worth using. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Lemon8 is a lifestyle community app developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Over here, it combines features from Instagram, Pinterest, and Canva, focusing on photo sharing and community engagement. After that, let's talk about key features. Over here, Lemon8 offers a For You feed where users can discover content related to beauty, fashion, travel, and food. Then there are in-app editing tools that allow users to add text and edit photos or videos without leaving the app. Now, moving on to user experience. Over here, some users love the community feel and aesthetic focus of the app. Then others feel that the content is repetitive and the interface can be too bright, which may cause strain with extended use. After that, let's discuss some important considerations. Over here, since Lemon8 is owned by ByteDance, there are ongoing privacy concerns similar to those surrounding TikTok. Then, the app's niche focus on lifestyle content may not appeal to a broader audience. So, that's everything you need to know about Lemon8 and whether it's worth using. That's all for this video.